What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw a cute cartoon Christmas tree. Let's begin today's lesson all the way up towards the top of our page with a star, so we leave a gap in the center. Let's start on the left side, we're going to go up in an angle, round at the top, and then come down towards the right. Let's add those 2 points going out towards the side. So we're going to slope this down, round this out, and then pull that back in. Just going to mirror that over on the right side. And I want to add 2 more points coming down. So the angle is down, round at the bottom, and pull that up towards the middle. Add 1 more point on the right side. Now I'm going to layer the tree underneath the stars. So we're going to start over on the left side from this point. We're going to bend this down and out towards the side. And we want to add some curves across the bottom. So starting back on the left, we're coming around and then pull that up. Do the same thing on the right. And we'll add 1 more bump in the center, coming down and then up. Let's add a second layer, starting along the side, bend this down and out. We're going to be doing essentially the same thing that we did along the top. I'm just going to round this out and then pull that up on the inside. Let's add 2 more curves in the middle. So I'm going to come down from the left and up in the middle. Then we're going to add that final layer. Again, starting from the side, coming down and bending that out. Just going to round at the bottom and then pull that up. Now again, because this base is wide, we're going to add 3 more curves along the middle. So let's start back on the left, coming down and up. Now add 1 more curve in the center. Let's add the trunk, leaving a gap in the center, starting on the left, bend this down and out towards the bottom. Now close out the bottom with a curve. Now I want to go back and decorate the tree, but we're going to start by adding the face along the bottom section. So let's start with a circle on the top left side, go all the way around and then back up. Let's line this up over on the right and do the exact same thing. On the top left side of each eye, we'll draw a small circle for a highlight. And I'll add a small circle along the bottom right. Let's fill that middle area of the eyes in black. In between the eyes, we're going to add the mouth. Starting on the left, bend this down and up. Go back, curve this down and then up. In the middle of the mouth, add a curve for the tongue. And it'll fill the top half in black. Now we're going to go all the way back up to the top. We're going to add some tinsel, starting from the top right. Bend this down, then across. Step down, I'm just going to trace that along the bottom. Now in that center section, we're going in the opposite direction. Starting from the top left, curves down, then across. And then again, just tracing that across the bottom. And then along this bottom section, we're just going to cover the bottom right side. So we're going to come down, then in, and again, just tracing that across. Now I want to add those string lights. Starting from the top left, we're going to bend this down in behind, go across towards the right. Now from the top right, go across in the opposite direction. And then down here, we're going to start from the left, come across, and then in behind. Let's add those lights across that string. So we're going to add a little curve on the left and right side. Just going to continue to add this shape going around that string. And we can also point some of them going up. Let's hang a few ornaments across the bottom edge of each section. So we're going to start up here. Just going to add a small circle. Just working our way around towards the bottom. And now we'll finish off by adding some glitter going around the tree. Starting from the top left. Just going to bend this down and out. Then in toward the bottom. Let's add a few more. and then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of a cute cartoon Christmas tree. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.